mountains fall, your word will remain. Your word we believe. At thy word we pass the situation. Speak today. Our hearts are open to receive your word, my bread of life. It is the light on my feet. Your word, my bread of life. It is the light on my feet. My desire is to receive your word, my solitude, the righteous running, and they'll save all my faith, my heart and mind. I'll always devote to your word, my solitude, the righteous running, and they'll save all my faith, my heart and mind. I'll always devote to your word. We must the situation. Speak today. Our hearts are open to receive your word. Your word we believe. Speak today. Our hearts are open to receive your word. Speak today. Our hearts are open to receive